Hello guys, in this series I'm sharing my experience of making $1 million on YouTube. I hope my journey can inspire you and we can all learn from my mistakes. Today is day 27 and we are at 0.029%. So our total revenue is growing linearly. It's close to $300 right now. Let's see what happened on day 27. So our expenditure are still at $133.8. Our Ripple investments are decreasing. We lost around $2.2. And our AdSense revenue is at $290.4. That makes our net profits $154.3. Our investments are still these two investments, the microphone that we are using for our channel and our Ripple investments that we did because of one of our commenters. And you can also comment in our videos to determine how we are going to develop our business, what are we investing in, what kind of videos we are doing, or you can also leave questions that we can answer to help the YouTube community grow together. So let's jump into the YouTube studio to see our statistics, how our channel is doing. So right now we have 1,857 subscribers. Let's jump into the statistics to see how our channel is doing right now. So our viewership for the last 28 days is 77,000, which is 29,000 more than usual. So it is going up quite rapidly. Watch time hours are around 1,000 watch time hours, which is also growing rapidly. It's 395 more than usual. Our subscriber count is also growing fast. It's almost 300. It's 297, which is also more by 26 more than usual. And our estimated revenue is $290, as I've mentioned before. And we are close to, actually, we are almost at our first 28 days. This is the day 27 right now. These are some of our top videos. This is our real-time view count. So here you can see some of our most popular videos right now in real time, and the most popular videos in the last 60 minutes. We have 150 views in the last 60 minutes, which is quite a good rating for us. Let's see our revenue statistics. As I mentioned, 290 is the total revenue. This is how our RPM is growing. As you can see, our RPM right now is at around 4.59 RPM, but it is not the correct one because the first day wasn't a full day, so that's why it's a little bit lower. It should be almost around $5 RPM. Our CPM is 11.3, but that is affected the same way as our RPM. Now here are some of our top earning videos. On the top is the how to use Revolut Junior with $11. Second one is how to earn interest on crypto. Third one is how to get Matic Polygon on Trust Wallet, also with $9. And the fourth one is an interesting one, the how to use Revolut Waltz function, because actually this video doesn't have that many views, but the RPM on this video is quite a bit higher than the other ones. Let's see the RPM in the last 28 days. As you can see, it's close to $14. Yesterday it was $19. So yeah, the RPM is quite high on this one. That's why it has the fourth most revenue earned, even though it doesn't have that many views. Some of these videos also have high RPM, and for example, this TikTok video has a very low RPM. This video is one of our most popular videos right now. Not the top viewed, but the most it gets the most views in this period, but it only generated $4, and that is because the RPM on this video is very, very low. As you can see, the average is $0.97, and even on a high RPM day it was only $2.
So that's pretty much it for this video. I hope it was helpful and interesting for you. If you have any questions, just leave them in the comments, and we are trying to answer all of them. So that's it. Thank you. Bye bye. Subscribe. Bye bye.